Hello students, welcome for today's session. So in today's session, we are going to study one important validation for your form. So what happens is, in many situations, when you're typing in some form, like some text field, when you're typing in, what happens? Your caps lock key is on and it does not strike your mind, right? So what we are going to do is, in today's session, we are going to write a small JavaScript program that is going to help us to detect if your caps lock key is on. Alright. So we'll start. We start with Notepad. Document type HTML. Alright. HTML style. Okay, now I want some text to be displayed, so I will write it as text. This I want to be display none, it should not be displayed, and color should be red. So what I have done, I have used a style sheet, and display I have set it to none, color I have set it to red. Start with the body tag, one heading which says detect caps lock on, or you can just say detect caps lock. See, headings, colors, all this is your choice. Alright, you need to check which color you like, so you may use that. I have used just a red color. Okay, then I'm going to take one paragraph element and say press the caps lock key inside the input field to trigger the function. Because you as a user will not understand. You know that the program is for detecting caps lock on, so will understand, but others will not. That is why I have displayed a message which says press the caps lock key inside the input field so that you can trigger the function. Now, input ID, I'm going to give it as my input. Alright. Value, I'm going to give it as just some text. Okay. Then again, paragraph ID, text. Now here is the warning that I want to display saying, look, your caps lock key is on. You can give some other message also. Is on, I have written it like that. Look, caps lock is on. Okay, so what happens, the user will immediately understand that what he is typing into is in uppercase and he needs to turn it to lowercase. Okay, so now I have to define the function, right? I have written there to trigger the function. So what my function should do is the next task. To take the one variable called as input. Alright, document get element by ID, my input. So this is the element what you want to check. Then I'm going to create one more variable text is equal to document dot get element by ID text, for which we have used the style sheet. We have applied the style sheet, right? The same element I'm trying to fetch over here. Then I'm going to add an event listener. So I'm going to write input dot add event listener. I'm going to add one event listener which says key up function event. Okay, key up function event. Now if the event dot get modifier state, if the state is caps lock, you are first trying to understand whether the event listener, if he has done caps lock on, that you are trying to understand. All right. If the caps lock is on, then what you want to do? You want to display the text, right? So text dot style dot display, I'm going to set it to block. Block means whatever text is there, that is going to be displayed. Else text dot style dot display, I'm going to set it to none. So when I set the display to none, nothing is going to be visible. Alright, I close the script tag, body tag, HTML tag. Alright, now I'm going to click on save, detect caps dot HTML, open with Google Form.